Hey there, Pyro Peeps, Dex here. Quick demo of a couple things. One, we're going to do these neon smokes by Black Cat, but I'm also going to do a demo of these Firework Junctions, sometimes referred to as T connectors. So the first thing, ideally, is to get a pair of these. This is a larger pair. You can get smaller ones. This is an anvil cutter. Blade on one side, and like a rubber or a composite plastic on the other. So when you cut through fuse, there's no chance of having a spark of metal on metal like you might get with scissors. So this is the best way to cut the fuses. So first step is on the end to cut the fuses at a little 45-degree angle. What that'll do for you, that'll expose more fuse in the connectors. Even when using a tape method, this is ideal to get the best chance of ignition on your product. The end of these fuses have been cut, they may be waxy, machine tight, pinched, whatever else. So that's step one. Step two with the connectors is to take each connector, move them high enough so that it'll cross the midsection, and clamp them down. Yep. Unless you have fat fingers like me. There we go. All right. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. I'm going to fix that one. I'm going to do the rest of them, come right back. All right, Pyro Peeps, and I'm back. And again, doing these connectors. Put that close to the T section up top. Close this down. And what I found, these are a thicker fuse on these, which is nice. Kind of what you're paying extra money for Black Cat. And then go ahead and pinch that side down with your nail or your fingertip so that she'll stay closed. And then we have all four set up. And I'm going to take some perfect fuse, some pink fuse that burns at, she burns at about 10 seconds per foot. So the next step is to go ahead and put these into your T sections and again clamp it down. This being 3mm fuse, it's kind of thick. Again, on these ends I'll pinch down manually with my thumb. That's one of them, and we'll do the rest, and we'll be right back. Pyro Peeps, we're back. One more thing I wanted to note is when I end that fuse up there, that piece that's cut on a 45-degree angle, the burn from the fuse will be coming this way to hit that cross section, that 45-degree cross section. Go ahead, we'll lock him into place. Now we have our 4 smoke devices with a little bit of a safety for a lead. So it goes about a second per inch. Like I said, it's 10 seconds per foot. That'll leave me time to light it and back off and do a video. So again, back in 1 second, Pyro Peeps. All right, Pyro Peeps, so we're back, and let's do the gushing smoke demo with the Fireworks Junctions with the visco fusing. Here we go. Woohoo! Could have spaced them out more. It's basically all these brilliant colors turning to a deep but thick hue of green. And oh yeah, that pyro smell. All right, let's get in closer. Blue, green, yellow, and pink. Nice, and they all lit. Good duration. Looked like about 35 to 40 seconds. And there you have it. The Black Cat neon smokes for blue, green, orange, and pink, along with those Fireworks Junction connectors, which worked out great. Everything lit, nice and easy. Remember to look for those anvil cutters, and stop back for the next demo soon. There's some nice colors in the fire pit as well. All right. Ciao for now, Pyro Peeps, and peace.